Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today's video is sneak peek day 2 of our upcoming March 27th release. We have some brand new products to share with you today before this release hits the shop tomorrow. So here's some new stamp sets you can expect. This is our Nurse Appreciation 3x4 stamp set and coordinating die. This is a great size and great price point for you to have a stamp that you can make cards to show your appreciation for nurses. It says, "Nurses like you are precious and few. A big thank you for all that you do." They're two separate images, so you can stamp them together, you can stamp them separately, and you can do the die cutting separately as well, so you can put one on the inside of your card if you like, one on the outside. I love the word art piece and that the stethoscope is part of the U. Isn't that fun? So there you can see it stamped out, and then we have it colored for you so you can see an idea of how you could color this. And now let's see what it looks like with the coordinating dies that bubble cut around both of these images. Isn't that cute? I love this look, but they are also great just stamped right on your card. Here is a card with those die cut pieces, one sentiment on the inside and one on the outside. Okay, let's move on to another new stamp set. This is a 4x6 set called Indispensable. You can see here we've got dies to cut out all the coordinating pieces, and here is the set itself. There are stamps here for a medicine bottle, a liquid medicine bottle, a label to go on that, and a band-aid, a stethoscope, arms and legs, and faces, so you can bring them to life, and some great sentiments. There is dies to cut out all of the things in this set, and even dies so that you could create a label or create a frame. It's just so cute. So here I've stamped those out so you can see them with some legs and some arms and some faces. And then I took this and turned it into a 1-layer card. I will have a video for this one on release day tomorrow as part of our team hop. So you can see how I did some masking and brought this card to life in that video, as well as plenty of other videos with our designers. Next up, we have a 4x8 set. This is Cozy Bear MD. If you've been with Trinity Stamps for a while, you know all about Cozy Bear. And so this is another Cozy Bear in the collection, and it has the doctor and the patient. So Cozy Bear MD is really cute for creating scenes for cards you might make for a doctor, or even for somebody who maybe has had surgery or been to the hospital or had an emergency and you want to send them a card. There's several sentiments in this set, and of course dies to cut them all out, even to bubble cut around your sentiments. Here are some of those images stamped, colored, and die cut out so you can see what they look like. They're just really cute, and here they are all put together on a card. I did use this lollipop from the Cozy Bear Sweet Shop and thought it was okay for the doctor to give the bear a lollipop because, you know, he broke his arm, so it's fine. All right, so let's move on to our standalone die sets now. Here is one that is, I'm sure, going to be a favorite. This is Tiny Bandage. It is a 5-piece die set, and you can layer up the pieces to create a really cute bandage. Here you can see what it looks like. The main or largest piece, it's going to cut away all of those little openings, those little circles, and then you've got a square and a square with the holes in it you can layer up to go in the center. That's the actual bandage. It's going to give it a little 3D effect, and I think it's really cute. And then there's 2 different hearts you can put on top of that if you want, or on the ends, however you like to do it, but I think it's super duper cute, and the design team is loving it as well. I have a bunch of samples at the end of this video you can check out made with this die. So cute, right? I love it. Okay, we have another new die set. If you watched yesterday, you saw our emoji builder die set. This is the sick add-on. So you're going to put these 2 die sets together to create these. So you can use a lot of the pieces from the basic set with the sick set and create a patient with a thermometer, one that maybe is throwing up, one with a face mask, one with a tissue. So many fun options here, and they're great to mix and match and create your own emojis. I think it is so much fun, and I know the design team has told me too that they are having a ton of fun with this, creating their own looks. Now, both of these, the basic emoji builder and the Sick add-on, are going to work with our circle shape card, the one I'm showing you right here on the right that comes with all the pieces to make a donut or a bagel. You can use that shape card and these two die sets together to create a bunch of cute faces. Now, on the back of your packaging on both of these, it's going to show you how to make all these different faces, and especially on the Sick one, you'll see which pieces are from the basic set that go with the pieces from the Sick set, and you add them together to make cute faces like this one with the thermometer. You're going to layer up those two pieces, and then there's a little side piece on the largest die that creates these little rounded pieces. You'll add those on to make it look like the tick marks on your thermometer. It's really cute. I die cut mine with some black paper backed with our rip and stick sheets to turn them into stickers, and it made it really easy to stick them down. And then the dies I'm showing on the screen are the dies from the Sick set. So any other images on here are from the basic set. So the eyes and the eyebrows and the mouth are from the basic set. But then I realized there's a mouth for this one in the Sick set that's a half of a mouth, so you can line your thermometer up with the edge of that and it fits perfectly. So use that one instead. All right, so here's that face mask that you can put over the top. The eyes are from the basic set, and that one's easy to do. This one has just the Z's added to face pieces from the basic set. This one has the mouth and the tissue from the Sick set, and it is darling. Look at that one, just the tissue. I added a little shading with a Copic marker on that. And then we have the mouth and the actual vomit from this one that you can add to the face pieces from the basic set, and this one is so much fun. It has these pieces to make cheeks and then a little mouth to put in between them, so you can make it look like he's about to lose his lunch. So much fun with those. Okay, now we're bringing back something I showed you yesterday, the soup can die set, because I really wanted to focus on how you can turn this into a medicine bottle. So there's a die there you can paper piece together to make a lid, and you can use the label to put a label on there, and there's even dies in there, as you see on the front of this shape card, to make some pills. And I think it is so fun that you can use this die in more than one way, and there's probably plenty more ways you can think of to use this that I didn't even show you. So there's more examples of this in the video at the very end, so stay tuned. But first, let's take a look at a couple embellishments you're going to love to go with these new stamps and dies. We have our Boo Boo helpers and our happy pills. Aren't these so fun? You can use these to create shakers or add them as embellishments to most all of the things in this release. So look at these little bandages. Aren't they so cute? There's two different sizes and they all have a heart in the middle, just like our die set has a heart you can put in the middle. And then we've got different sizes on these clay embellishments as well as different colors. So that's really fun too. The blue, the yellow, and the red. And there's the two different sizes you can see right there. So these will be great for these Get Well, Sympathy, and Doctor themed products that we have for you in this March release. Now this release is coming out tomorrow, March 27th, and during that time you're going to see some videos and some Instagram posts from our team. We're doing a hop on both places, Instagram and YouTube. Some of them might even be videos or posts of the cards you're seeing right here that are giving you more inspiration with these products. And so make sure you come join us, hop along, let the designers know what you think of their projects, and there are giveaways at both. So you'll want to check those out and let us know what your favorites are and what you're excited to play with, because we love to hear that. Don't you love this one with the rainbow? Oh, that's so cool. And the Band-Aid on the emoji. I love it, and I think you're going to see a lot of cute things tomorrow, so I hope you'll join us for those hops. And the release will be live in the shop tomorrow, so you can do your shopping and get a hold of these products that I think are really basic ones that you're going to go to time and time again for creating get well cards, sympathy cards, and maybe something for somebody that works in the medical field. So thank you for joining me today. We will have a full release video for you tomorrow, so come back then, and happy stamping. Bye.